Hey out there YouTube, I have a Aldi haul. This was about $70. This will go with our other groceries I have purchased for the next couple of weeks. Of course, I will end up going back probably next weekend for milk, bread, fruit, things like that. So I have a pretty good stock in my freezer. I did go to Costco yesterday, but I didn't bore you guys with that. I just got the average large bag of chicken breast, large pack of ground beef. And then for renewing our membership, because I hadn't been, as you know, but they gave us this awesome bag, which I am loving. It's really shallow, so I've been leaving it, you can leave it in the car. So it was perfect for Aldi. And then you know how they throw your stuff in your cart as they're checking out your groceries. So to just sit this in, and she was just tossing stuff in there, it worked perfect. So that went along with what I got at Costco yesterday. This, the ground beef, the big bag of chicken, and then we picked up two of our large containers of coffee, because I kept trying to just get those small bags, which is okay. But man, the value of this, it's $8.99 for 3 pounds of coffee, and it's such a good quality. It is our favorite. So I will show you what I got and talk a little bit about the meals I'm going to make this week. I did pick up 3 packages of the Aldi brand of their Ultra Select-A-Size paper towels. This is the Compare to Bounty. This was not on my list, but these were for some reason $1.25. So there's 2 in there, and they last a pretty good while at our house because we do use the cloth napkins as well. So I picked up all they had left in the bin. So I got 3 at $1.25. So I paid $3.75 for all of these, and they're the huge double roll. So I was pretty pleased with that. I picked up some black seedless grapes just for snacking, and then this is going to go in somewhat a dessert for us to have for this week that's not cake or brownie related. So I got some black seedless grapes. I did pick up some more Black Forest ham, because what we got last week is just about gone. I do have eggs, but I'm planning on making deviled eggs probably tomorrow night. So I just wanted to make sure I didn't run out. So I picked up 1 more dozen eggs. These are $1.78. They're not cheap. And I will apologize, my lighting is not good in here. I do have some butter that I had picked up, 3 of the boxes of butter when Aldi had them at $1.99 a box, but I really wanted some Kerrygold butter, and we'll use this for toast and pasta, things like that. I did get a block of cream cheese, and then I did pick up some bacon. I am making a dish. So we have hopes this is going to be really good. This is the broccoli salad. Ashton's just mixed up our dressing, which is the apple cider vinegar, sugar, and mayo. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like a recipe on this. We're pretty excited. It seems to be a great low-carb salad, so looks good. Some mini marshmallows, and I did get some whipped topping. That is going to go in a dessert with some crushed pineapple and a box of vanilla pudding that I saw on that Tasty website. These are not from today. Picked up some sour cream. I picked up a bag of these black bean corn tortilla chips. They looked really good, and they're the Simply Nature brand. I have a tomato sauce. I should have another one. Picked up coffee filters. Picked up some coffee creamer. Some orange juice. We were just about out of spray for our baking pans. This is just olive oil. I got some canola oil, and then a bag of mozzarella. I still have some cheeses, but I will probably need a little bit more, and I don't like feeling like I'm going to run out of cheese. I picked up some more pepperoni, because then again, taking these with string cheese for a snack. Got some colored peppers. And then I picked up another head of broccoli. I still have a little bit left on the counter over here I'm using for my dish. Picked up a bag of potatoes. Our local grocery store had ran an ad on potatoes a few weeks ago, and it was 2 huge 10-pound bags for $4. And I was like, what a fabulous deal. So we bought those. They were so dirty. They were the dirtiest. I mean, they were like mud all over them. I don't even think they'd been sprayed off. Now we know potatoes are generally dirty when we buy them, but they had dirt falling off, and I'm not for sure why, but that just, I didn't like having dirt from, I'm not even for sure where, all in my pantry. And they were hard to wash, and even as I would peel them, you could still feel the dirt after scrubbing them. I also picked up some dried cranberries. This is going to go with that broccoli. It's the broccoli salad, which has broccoli, cranberries, bacon. I think Ashton looked it up. It has Dijon mustard with mayo, wasn't it, Ash? Dijon mustard, mayo, and apple cider vinegar. So that is a dish that we're going to have tonight. Picked up some vanilla yogurt, and then this cranberry cashew honey granola. We love to have that in the yogurt. There's my other can of tomato sauce, just because I didn't have any. 4 cans of green beans, because I'm running low on those. I have a bunch of cans of other things. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And then here's my can of crushed pineapple to go with that dessert. I really needed a can of diced chilies because I am making, it's called chicken enchilada pasta, or lasagna basically, but you use the lasagna noodles and you bake your chicken and shred it, and with sour cream, and you're supposed to put just the diced green chilies, which they didn't have. So I'm just going to drain this and use this, similar to what I have used before. And then cheese, you roll that up in your lasagna noodle, put it in a pan, and put Monterey Jack cheese on top, and bake it. So that is what we are going to have. I'm going to make that this week. So I picked this up to go with that. Andrea wanted some pesto sauce because we did get some sliced mozzarella, turn that on, yesterday at Costco, and they were serving it as samples with pesto, and he really wanted some pesto. I got some farfalle pasta. We will be having that this week, or the weekend. I'm making, it's just a chicken Caesar dish. It just has chicken, Caesar salad dressing, and then your pasta, and then you can choose to beef it up with some vegetables, or I thought that sounded good. And then I always just keep the chicken, the rice. This is the rice and pasta mix. We'll just have that sometimes as a meal. So that is what I have to go along with the items that are already in my freezer and my fridge. So tonight we are having some grilled steak and grilled chicken. I have it marinating in kind of it's a sweet chili sauce. So we're gonna grill that up tonight. A couple of us like steak, a couple of us like chicken. So I just always do a couple chicken breasts and then a couple small steaks. Again, my lighting is horrible. And then I had my stuff out here to finish up for my broccoli salad. I have a little bit of broccoli. I'm going to have a couple green onions. And I'm going to shred a couple of carrots in mine. And then we will have the cranberries. I will put the bacon in the oven and crumble that. And then we will make a sauce with that. And then I'll just take you over and show you. I had divided out my ground beef. So what I did is I put probably 1.5 pounds over here in this bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead when I'm making my supper tonight and mix up my meatloaf in this bowl. So I'll go ahead and put my eggs and breadcrumbs and onions and my ketchup and tomato sauce. And then that will be ready. Ashton can just pop it in a pan tomorrow night and get it going in the oven. So it's kind of what's going on in my fridge. I did try to buy this for the kids and they did not drink it. So I guess that's a good thing that they don't really drink these sugary drink. So I think I'm just gonna dump that out. But I don't have a ton of stuff in my fridge. We're trying to stick to less processed food, a little bit more fresh foods. So I picked up mushrooms yesterday. We do have a little bit of lettuce for sandwiches. And then I did pick up at Costco the 7 superfoods, the sweet kale salad. We love this, and we eat it during the week. And if there's one of us eating or 4, we just take a little bit out of the bag and mix it up. And then we just keep the packets in a bowl because the seasoning and your dressing and stuff is in a packet. So I got that. And then we also have, this one is super yummy. It's the Strawberry Harvest vegetable salad. And they have this again at Costco. So it has a strawberry vinaigrette. So we have that for the week. I did pick up 2 of the big bags of cheddar. And that's really all we have going on. I think we are about out of yogurt. Andrea has one of his back there. So that's really, still have some cottage cheese, Pepsi. I bought this and it's getting ready to go. It is so spicy. We love spicy, but this is so much heat. We could not even eat it. We did not care for it. And then Andrea's salmon. So that's what we have in the fridge, and that's what we bought at Aldi. We still have plenty of fruit on our platter, and I will be seeing you guys next time. So tomorrow is Monday, and now I have my meatloaf mixed up so Ashton can put this in a pan. Considering I get home late, we'll see since my hours vary. And then over here I have the sauce that I put on top of my meatloaf. It's what I have always used. And in that is ketchup. It depends on how big the meatloaf is. We like it to cover all sides. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then some brown sugar and black pepper. So I just put that, and yes, we mix everything in our house in coffee mugs because you don't need fancy cooking tools to cook. But I just mix that up, and then we put that on top of the meatloaf, and it does just get all bubbly and sticky, and it is so much better than just regular ketchup. So anyway, if you want to just keep tasting it until it tastes the way you like, but the brown sugar in there just helps it get all bubbly and sticky. So now we are going to finish our dinner for tonight. All right, and here is dinner. That is that broccoli salad. We are all obsessed. We've been tasting it. I think that may be our favorite salad and dressing. And then our grilled chicken that we just made. Yum.